So we are here in Washington. We have one day here and we just exploring old famous landmarks. Let's go.
Our hotel was located just to the north of the main area of Washington. We took the underground to Capitol Hill and then walked along Constitution Avenue to see the main sights. We then walked back to see them all at night. Lots and lots and lots of walking.
So we are at Capitol building at the moment, and towards left there is a Supreme Court, and now we're making our way towards White House. Let's go.
Despite what you may think, this is about as far as you can get to see the White House. Actually, it's about this far. It's almost not worth stopping by. However, the White House Visitor Center is a lot better. It gets you much closer to what the White House looks like, with quite a nice model at the entrance, and there's a bit of history as well. Top tip, keep an eye on your map as you're walking around, as you could stumble upon some interesting places. Okay, so we've finished our day in Washington. It was pretty good, quite tiring, a lot of walking. We saw most of the main landmarks as well, and we managed to get the US Capitol building at night, which looked really nice. So we're going to head back to our hotel now on the metro, and tomorrow it's off to Toronto. If you have a bit more time, Washington has a lot of museums and exhibitions. Some of these are free, and they're worth visiting. So that's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. So first up, Smithsonian Air
And Space Museum.
That went well. The Smithsonian Air and Space Museum.